All right, welcome back to Big Bert's Adventures. It's been a few days since I've been out here in the Caddy. 1962 Fleetwood Series 62. We're working on the interior, so today we're gonna go in and investigate, see what's going on. We're gonna vacuum a bunch of this yuck out and see what we got. Hopefully today we can use the wheel to clean it up a bit. We do have a bump that I got to look at, and hopefully we can tear the rest of the carpet out and start working on the doors. But yeah, we got a lot of garbage in here still, so we got to vacuum that out. Just get it a nice wipe, spray it down, and we'll bring you along. Thanks for watching, guys. All right, well, folks, I'm in the main machine here, laying down on the job, just getting this trim and extra headliner out. So we're in it now. All right. Hi. All right, what I found is I've got to take the top dash off to get the trim out. So we're just gonna go ahead and do that. This top piece is gonna come out. Let's do it. All right, here we go. It's gonna come out. Oh goodness, look at that. There's the side pieces. Oh, yuck. Oh, the dashboard. Oh goodness, what's some finds in there we found? I want to try not to break this too bad. Looks like there was one connector. Look at that. There's the dashboard. I want to get that out of here. Don't break it any worse than it is. Oh yeah. All right. So here we are, we got the dash pad off. We got big hornet's nests in here. Doesn't look too bad. Got our Fleetwood emblem. Oh yeah. Let's go look at the dash pad. I don't think it's gonna be too hard. Looks like this vinyl that's on the dash pad is cracked pretty good. But as you can see, it's got a lamp in there. Then on the back, we can peel all this vinyl off and replace it really easily. So, big piece of plastic back here. The original writings here from the factory, and then we've got a couple of connectors here which came off really easily. Still got the original pins, shoot them up in the dashboard. That's pretty awesome. And then we'll probably, I don't know, we'll see if this light works, but this is my main piece off the dashboard that I wanted. So we'll tear it apart, wrap it back up. May need a little repair here. It's a little crusty, so let's do this. All right, well, we're back here. I did a super clean on the garage. I organized all the parts that were coming off of the Caddy. Got all the screws, tools. Got the hood cleared off a lot more. I mean, it's looking great. And then I got the rest of the interior out. So got some trim out today. That's what this is. A lot of that's trim. A little more vacuuming. I did find a hole in the floor there. And, you know, hornet's nests, wasp nests. We're just gonna go ahead and just get in here. I threw a camping chair in there right now, hoping that I can get in. So let's see.
Okay, maybe I can't sit in the camp chair in here because the roof is low. So let's give you guys an up close. Yikes and yikes. There's the inside. We took the top of the dash off to recover it, and then look at all the dust on this, guys. So we're gonna do some cleaning real quick. Just stop the demo real quick and do some cleaning. And let me bring you along. We got its initial scrub down. Looks like we're gonna have to polish the aluminum quite a bit. Got some stuff up in there. Got some stuff up in there. It's actually inside, but the rest of it cleaned up pretty well. And then you can just see the inside, the 62. Oh, there's another beehive thing. Yep. So I'm finding all kinds of stuff, but stripping it down. So I've got most of the trim out, the back seat out, still some vacuuming needed, but yeah, we're getting there. I'll get this head trim off and this side trim. Fun fact, there's chrome trim over here and there was painted trim over there, so something happened. But we got to get the doors too, the carpet. We're gonna pull all the panels and re-vinyl, re-carpet, and then put them back on, and I'll polish all that aluminum up. Yeah, I know it looks like a huge project, and it is, but you know, it is what it is. That's what you do, America.